Hey YouTube, it's Erin, and I am the Handbag Housewife. And I have a real quick double unboxing for you today from Coach. These items, I may have mentioned them in the past videos that I've done as items I might have ordered in my sleep. So these are the items that I thought I might have ordered in my sleep. I'm just not sure. Dream life, real life, it all kind of blends together, if you know what I mean. So let me open up the first one. I'm gonna have to vacuum after I open these two packages up because the one that was mailed in an envelope, it's actually leaking because the outer surface got punctured. So as you can see in the first box, I have two items and they are not a bag. I honestly am pretty nervous about these. These are visors, and I got both the prints because I like both the prints so much in the hat version. And in the summertime, my head gets hot sometimes. And like I said, I do look like a chia pet when I have a visor on because I have all these tiny little hairs that fly out. But I thought I would give it a shot. The only bad thing about these visors is they are not adjustable, other than the fact that they have this stretchy elastic band. So here is the moment of truth, whether it fits or not. Okay, let's see. I think it fits. I probably need to pull my hair up in a ponytail to try it. It's a little tiny bit snug, but not bad. And boy, it's awfully cute. I got these for the extra 15% off of, I think, 58, so they were a pretty good deal. Let me see if the black one fits any different. Sometimes colors fit differently. I don't know if you've noticed that or not. Whoa, I'm throwing stuff. Throwing silica packets in my closet. Okay, so that's interesting. The black fits like perfectly. It's just a tiny, tiny, tiny bit looser. And so I might just stretch them a little bit. Some people say these fit kind of big, and that's why I went ahead and took the chance, because I have a little bit bigger head, or a lot bigger head, and oh yeah, that feels really good now. I just needed to stretch it just a little bit. And of course, this is the one I said fit slightly looser. So let me just give this one a good stretch. See if that helped any. Oh yeah, I mean, they fit like a glove. I think they're really cute. I have dark circles under my eyes, probably my mascara from yesterday. Haven't got that all cleaned off yet. I've got to take, well, I got up and I took my sons, both of them, to weights this morning, and then picked them up at around 9:45. So I had like an hour at home. And then later at noon, I've got to take my youngest to baseball, and then he's having a friend over, and then we're going to go to a local baseball game for college kids tonight. And then my oldest is going to basketball tonight at the same time. So we've got to leave the college game, get him to basketball, come back to the college game, and then go back and get him from basketball. So that's my day today. And in between, I am doing laundry and dishes and feeding the boys. It seems like all I do is do laundry and dishes and feed the boys. Anyway, so this is the item that got punctured. They get this cottony stuff. Oh gosh, I ripped into the cottony stuff again. Oh no. Okay. See, they get this cottony crap everywhere. I hate it. Okay, so I'm always a little disturbed when they ship my hats in a bag because they may get smashed. I mean, come on, Coach. It's almost as bad as shipping a bag in a bag. It doesn't appear to get smashed. Okay, so look. This is the graphite colored hat from the outlet. Honestly, I like the outlet hats a little better than the retail hats because the retail hats have a band of leather around the front, and I don't love that because I feel like it limits what the item goes with. The outlet hats that I seem to like the best have a leather band back here. I don't know why, but I really just like how these adjust. So I know I go to almost the shortest I can go, and then I just tuck this little leather bit right there in there, and then the hat should fit about right. Okay, it needs to be a little bit tighter. Plus, if I took the cardboard out, that might help. I have made such a mess in here with that bag with all the little cotton pieces flying around. Do not like it one bit. Okay, so this is a lot like my khaki one that I got. Okay, so I ordered this one from the outlet and I've linked it in my description box because I got this one from Poshmark. Now, you can still get this one on eBay and Poshmark, but look at the difference. So this one has a metallic thread, and then this one from the outlet does not. I think this was probably an outlet hat too, but I don't know that for sure. And look at the back. See, the back on this one has a fabric or jacquard strip, and the back on this one has a leather strip. They're both padded on the inside around the brim, but this hat, it feels like it fits a lot tighter and a lot smaller. And it is really cute. I think it probably looks just a little bit better on me, but I feel like it's sort of squeezing me and it doesn't go down quite as far, which doesn't make sense because I've measured it and the measurements from here to here are the same as my other hats. So that's why I went ahead and ordered this one. I wanted just to see, and I figured it was a $7 risk. I can return it if I don't like it, and it only cost me $7 to return it. But I do like it. It is a lighter weight material. It has more structure here in the front than the other one. And I think I'll be more likely to reach for this one to wear because it doesn't squeeze my head the same way. I think this one's really pretty. I'm not getting rid of it. And it's silly to have both, but I find myself wanting to use this color a lot because it's sort of a gray. It's really is like a charcoal gray, and I have charcoal gray flip-flops, and I have charcoal gray swimsuit cover-ups or black, and this is going to look good with those. Same reason I got this one, and this is the exact same here. That is my hat haul, and I don't have any more hats coming, I don't think, unless I order one in my sleep again. But I hope you have enjoyed this, and I will link as many, actually, I'm just going to link the hat section down below on the outlet website because there are a whole bunch of them available and they're priced really well. So if you like these, check them out in my description box. And don't forget to use those cashback options. If you haven't signed up yet, I think TopCashBack may be still offering a $35 bonus. I don't know. It changes all the time. But I have like 4 different cashback apps linked in my box that you can sign up for and get bonuses on and get percentage cash back depending on which one you choose. So don't forget to do that. And I am going to go ahead and sign out. I'm Erin, and I am the Handbag Housewife. And I appreciate you watching my video. If you liked it, please give me a big thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, what are you waiting for? Do it and ring the bell so you get notified when I release exciting content about hats and handbags and jewelry and fashion and all the things, you know. And also you can find me on Instagram at the same name, the @ the Handbag Housewife. I hope you have a fantastic day, and I will talk to you again real soon. Bye.